Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell Amazon products on your Shopify store? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to import products from Amazon to Shopify in just a few simple steps. First of all, you will need an import tool. The most popular one the most popular one is Spreader app, available on the Shopify App Store. Just go to Add Apps from the left sidebar, then Shopify App Store. Now on the search for Spreader, and search it and select Amazon Importer Spreader app. Then select this and install now. Wait for loading. Then again click install button. Once it's installed, open Spreader and paste the Amazon product link you want to import. Before, you will need to add two lines of integration code in your Shopify store. Raise a ticket and they can do it for you. Okay, then join Amazon, then import product. Then click import. The product title, images, price and description will automatically be pulled into your Shopify store. You can edit the details before publishing, like changing the product name or setting your price. Spreader also lets you choose between affiliate mode, where you will earn a commission, and dropshipping mode, where you fulfill orders yourself. And that's it. You have successfully imported a product from Amazon to Shopify. Like and subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.